a bare metal van shell, echoing empty. Imagine turning this blank box into a warm, whisper-quiet, rolling home. First step, map your life in tape. Feel the flow before you commit. A shower-toilet combo, wardrobe, U-lounge that becomes a bed, all in 50 square feet. But blueprints lie, until noise crashes the dream. Every rivet rattles, sounding like shaking bolts in a tin can. Enter Rattle Trap, $185 of rubbery silence, a sticker that swallows vibration whole. Clean first, alcohol wipes away dust, because silence sticks only to spotless metal. Roll slowly, air bubbles are enemy number one, press firmly, let the hush settle in. Now insulation, 25 mm foam armor against summer blaze, winter bite. Sealing first, liquid nails bead every edge, timber battens hold it high while glue dreams solid. Gaps invite drafts, so we foam again, expanding foam, the stubborn gap whisperer. Aircon next, an Ibis unit, because comfort deserves a quirky name. Seal like your life depends on it, Butyl tape, Sikaflex skin, rain tested overnight, not a single drop. Extra struts stop the roof from belly dancing when bolts tighten. Strength hides under beauty. Camera Casualty, gravity always wins, but lessons cost less than regret. From echoing metal to whisper-quiet cocoon, every layer matters, every step compounds. Your van, your sanctuary, start with tape, end with tranquility.